Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Airtable interfaces for app UI, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Airtable interfaces for app UI, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Airtable and press enter. Once the Airtable homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login screen. If you already have an Airtable account, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the password field below. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. After entering your email and password, click on the Login button to access your account. If you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your Airtable dashboard. From the dashboard, find and click on the Interfaces option in the left sidebar. Once in the Interfaces section, you will see a list of available interfaces. Select the interface you wish to use by clicking on its name or icon. After selecting an interface, wait for it to load completely. You are now ready to interact with the app UI within Airtable interfaces. Explore the features and tools available to enhance your experience. Remember, you can always log out by clicking on your profile picture and selecting Logout when you're finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.